Dear students, we will continue discussing the chapter The Fun They Had. So in the last video we saw Margie was not performing well. So Margie's mother called the county inspector and he came for checking the robotic teacher of Margie. About that county inspector, something is mentioned there. He was a little round person with a red face. That means a fat person. Who was having very fair color, and he came with all the tools and other things which is required for checking the robotic teacher. So he was very friendly person. He came and just patted on the head of Margie. Patted means lovingly touching on the head of Margie, and it is given there. He gifted her an apple also, and he went for checking this robotic teacher. So Margie was thinking that he won't be able to repair it so fast, but within an hour he repaired that robotic teacher, and the robotic teacher was ready, giving her questions, and all the lessons were there, and Margie was not so happy about it. So giving question and all that Margie could adjust with, but one thing that she did not like was writing the homework. There was a particular slot in that computer, in that robot, so where she had to fill up. So you students also sometimes don't like doing homework. So same way Margie also did not like doing homework. There was a particular slot means a particular space was given, a portion was given for filling up the homework, and after doing the homework, for you there is a time, next day only the teacher will check it, but for Margie it was not that case. As soon as the homework is submitted, within no time the robotic teacher will calculate and or check it and give the result. So that portion, doing homework, Margie never liked. So the inspector corrected everything, repaired the mechanical teacher, and he came back and just smiled and patted again on the head of Margie, and he said to the mother of Margie, Mrs. Jones, that is the name of Margie's mother, and said it was not the fault of Margie why she was not able to perform well. It was not the mistake of Margie, but it was the problem with the computer or the robot, because it has geared a little bit. Geared means speed up, it went a little further level. It was not showing the lessons up to the level of Margie. It geared up, it little speed up to the next level. That's why Margie was not able to perform well. And he said, now I have corrected it and I have brought it back to the level of Margie, and overall the performance of Margie up to now, it is a satisfactory. That is what he told to Margie's mother, and he went away. Anyway, Margie was not at all happy. She was totally disappointed. She was not at all happy about this. What she expected was at least 1 month it will take that her teacher will be taken away from there, and it will take time to repair it. Why she expected that way? Because once it so happened that Tommy's teacher was having some problem, and the county inspector came and took away Tommy's teacher, and after 1 month only it was returned, because the history section was completely blanked out once Tommy's computer or Tommy's teacher. So same thing will happen with Margie's teacher also. That was the expectation of Margie, but this county inspector came and within an hour everything was all right. So Margie was not so happy about that, because now regularly she had to attend the class in that room, and that virtual classroom, and do all the homework and all that. It was not a happy thing for Margie. Now we will come back again to the point where they were having the talk about the book what they have got. So we explained, or Margie started telling about her school because Tommy told that book was about a school. That point only Margie is asking what is there to talk about school, because she hated school. Why she hated school only we have seen a little portion in between. So now again coming back to their conversation. So Tommy is uh, reading the book, and Margie asked, what is there to write so much about school, or what is there to so much what is there so much to tell about school? So then, and what is the need of writing anything about school? Then Tommy tells loftily. Loftily means in a superior way, because Tommy is a senior, means 13 years old. So he said that stupid, it is not the school that you are or we are having. This book is talking about a school which were there hundreds of years back. The schools that existed hundreds of years back. About that only mentioned in this book. And that school is different, or those schools are different from our schools. So in a superior way, he told to Margie. So centuries ago, that is what he tells. So by hearing that, Margie was little bit no feeling bad, because Tommy called her stupid and all that. Margie did not like. Anyway, over his shoulder, she also started reading the book, and she said, I don't know much about that old schools, but I understand that they too were having teachers. Then Tommy says that yes, they were having teachers, but not like ours. Our teachers are mechanical teachers, but they had human teachers. Human beings were teachers. So that was a surprise for Margie. How it is possible? How can a man teach or come to our home, a strange person coming to our home and teaching? Then Tommy corrects her by telling that it is not like our school. It is not the teacher came to our house, but all the students, children, they went to a particular place called school, and teachers were there in that school and taught the children different lessons. Like that, Tommy made Margie understand about that old type of schools. Margie was not so happy about it, and her opinion was, if a teacher is a human being, then he won't be that much smart enough like the computer. But Tommy says it is not like that. So, like my father knows as much as my mechanical teacher knows. Like that, he says. Tommy says. So, by telling that, he is proving that even human being can know uh, like the computer. So the knowledge can have. So he says that at that time teachers were human being, and they could also be smart enough to know things and teach lessons to the children. So, and also he explains that it was not that a human being came to, or that teachers came to children's house, but these students went to a particular building called school, and the teachers taught lessons there only. So dear students, read up to there, and the rest of the chapter we will see in the next video. Okay, read clearly. Okay, so from beginning onwards, 2-3 times read the chapter and listen to the video also, then you will understand.